Hello guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. Today the video is gonna be a little bit different because yesterday I had my birthday, so it was 2nd November. So I had my birthday. So during the birthday I gave a birthday party, a small birthday party to my friends and all the people I know here in Mangalore. So they came and we enjoyed a lot. We had a dinner together and we danced and we sang song and we did a lot of things together. It was really a very happy day for me and it was quite memorable. So my friends, they gave me a lot of gifts for my birthday. So as you can see all here, actually I didn't thought to do the unboxing, but most of my friends, they told me to recommend me to do unboxing as it will be very good. So finally I decided to do the unboxing. So here is it. So let's start, right? I'm gonna take off this. Let's start the unboxing. First I'm gonna take a gift from Zomkey. She is my ex-classmate from Chondara, and we met here again. So let's open this, right? Let me guess first. I think it's inside one box. Oh wow. I still can't guess it. What is it? I think it's some kind of I think yesterday she told me when you will open my gift, don't feel shy. I think it's underwear.
What?
No. Oh my god. So there is three or four, I think 3 or 4 pieces inside. Joki, thank you so much, Zomkey. Okay, next. This is also my ex-classmate. She is Sonam Pema Espila from Chondara. And this is quite a big gift, so let's see what is it inside. Let me guess. I think there is some kind of t-shirt. I think it's a t-shirt, and with t-shirt something else is also there, I think. So let's see. It's a t-shirt. Yes, it's a t-shirt. I'll show you. Not black, it's dark green. Yes, you can see here. Dark green t-shirt from Jockey. Jockey is very comfortable, you know.
Jockey, supporting greatness.
With the t-shirt, there's something else is also there. Oh, it's a chocolate dark fantasy biscuits, choco fills. Okay, thank you so much, Sonam Pemala, for your gift. Okay, this is from G.Lhamo. She is also my ex.
Are you comedy me?
Not classmate, batchmate. So from Chondra. Okay, so
जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना.
It's a hot case because you know I recently moved my house mean room, so I need some such things. It was very much needed to me and she gifted me. As I recently shifted my room, so it was very much needed. Thank you so much, G.Lhamo, for your gift. Next is from Tendromala. I think it's easy to guess here. It's a t-shirt, I think. Again, I think it's a t-shirt.
बहुत तेज हो रहा है, बहुत तेज हो रहा साल.
Yes, as I said, it's a t-shirt. Wow, it's a very nice t-shirt. I liked it very much. New York locals. It's a very nice t-shirt. Simple and elegant. Yeah, very nice. Thank you so much. I really like this t-shirt. Thank you. Thank you so much. Next, this I don't know who gave me. I forgot. I think this is from our football team, I guess. No, right? Football team is there. This one of the gifts is from. I'm really sorry because it has no name written. I forgot who gave me.
ना प्लीज दिल से बुरा लगता है यार, दिल से बुरा लगता है जब.
Last night this one. Anyway, I'm gonna open it. Oh, the name is written inside. Okay. T-sephel, wishing you a day filled with happiness and year filled with joy. Happy birthday from Namde. Thank you so much once again. It's underwear, and with it. Oh, what is this? Chocolate. Yes. Chocolate. Parley occasions. It's a biscuit. All biscuits and. Thank you so much. I think actually right now I am shorts with my I have shortage with my underwears.
Lost my underwear. Where are they? Oh, there they are.
So everyone, thank you so much for lots of underwears. Thank you so much. This is from Kamadumala and Teshigatsula. So I'm gonna open this. This is a chocolate, I guess. Wow, it's a nice chocolate. This one. Thank you, Kamadumala and Teshigatsula. Again, this is also from them. Inside a box. The box is different, I guess. The inside must be different, something else. Yes, I told you, it's a t-shirt. Thank you so much. It's a lovely t-shirt. Very nice t-shirt. It's beautiful. And it says never say never. Yes, never say never. Never give up. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this. Teshi Gatsula and Kamadumaga. Thank you. So, this is a very special gift. This is the heaviest gift, you know. This is the heaviest gift from Dadela and Chiangla. We get to know each other recently during the lockdown, and they are very nice people. Wow, there are two chocolates. Two chocolates, one from each of them. And as I said, I was guessing it must be some grass. But I couldn't reveal it, so yes, it's a glass, and this is very much needed. You know, oh, it's very beautiful, simple, and the design is very nice. This glass. So cheers. Thank you so much, Nadila and Changa. Yes, there are t-shirts, 3 t-shirts, very lovely t-shirt. Very good messages from them. Life is tough, but so am I. Very nice message. Uchila and Mandela and Nakala, they all gave me a t-shirt. Wow, this is also very beautiful. See, that I really like the design. Nakar. This is from Nakar. If you don't know Nakar, she is also a YouTuber. G.Lhamo. She has a YouTube channel. Make sure you guys check it out. And yeah, Zomkey, the first gift I opened, she also has a YouTube channel. Her account name is Zomkey, and make sure you do it. Oh, it's the same t-shirt but with different color. Nice. Thank you so much, Uchila, Mandela and Nakala. And okay, this one is from Metala and Khandala. Meto is my very good friend. She helped me a lot during my birthday. You know? for decorating Meto, Khando and Dadila. They all helped me a lot, and Kinzo Namgila and Tashi Dinzila, they all helped me a lot. So first of all, as you can see, I have a sunglass. I like sunglasses very much, so yes, it's a very nice one. The case is also very beautiful, and I'm gonna wear it. Okay, so yes, thank you so much. It's a very nice sunglass. It suits me also.
Publishing sunglass.
Thank you so much. And there is one, this one. Yes, I like this one, you know, when you have, especially when you have long hair and like this, and we should tie here, it suits. Thank you so much. Wow, it's a nice t-shirt. Welcome abroad. Welcome abroad. Relax and enjoy this. It's a very nice one. Yes, I really liked it. It's a loose t-shirt, so nowadays wearing a loose t-shirt is a trend. So I really liked it. It's white, fresh. It's looking very fresh and nice, and especially the collar. Collar is nice. The color on the collar. Well, thank you so much. It's shorts. Yes, wow, it's nice gray shorts. So thank you so much, Khando and Medula. This one is one message is there. Happiest birthday, Tsepe. Make sure you rock in this boxer and t-shirt in big enjoy. Kill some girls out there. P.S. Age like a fine wine. Thank you so much. It's from Sherab and Pamula. And as they have mentioned, it's a boxer and t-shirt, so it's a boxer. I will show you guys. Van Heusen boxer. It's a nice color. One t-shirt is there. I think like I'm gonna be an ambassador of Zomkey, you know.
कुछ भी
I have lots of Zomkey with me now. It's a nice plain V-neck t-shirt. Thank you so much, Pamela and Sherabla, for your wonderful gift. Next, this is from Pastala, and this is a diary. It's a diary from Pastala, and this is from Kamasamula. Thank you so much. And there are t-shirts. Well, this is from Chanju. This t-shirt from Chanju, I really liked it. The color, light color, suits me. So thank you so much, Chanjula. Wow, this already I can see it's very nice. Once again, a very beautiful t-shirt, and it says high spirit. So all the t-shirts I got, it has very beautiful messages like life is tough, so am I, and it says always keep your spirit high. Thank you so much, Pasta, Chanju and Kamasamila. Okay, let's open this one now. I think this one is from football team, right?
Yes.
Okay, this one's from football team. My Mangalore football team. So thank you each and every one of them. Oh my god. It's Adidas. I'm very excited.
Oh my god! Wow!
Okay, so there are many things inside. First of all, we have a t-shirt. Plain t-shirt, really nice, dark green color. I think now dark green is my favorite color. Very nice slippers, very flexible and comfortable one. Water bottle. You will be needing the water bottle, as I do a lot of cycling these days, so this one's good for that. And again, a t-shirt for like kind of jersey one, and a shorts, I think. Yes, it's a very nice shorts. So thank you so much for all the teammates, my football teammates here in Mangalore. Okay, let me open this one. I don't know which from whom is this one. I'm sorry if I I forgot because I got a lot of gifts last night, so I couldn't remember actually who gave me what. So I'm very sorry, but whoever it is. Oh yeah, inside is there. Yes. T-sephel sending you a smile for every moment of your special day. Have a wonderful time and a very happy birthday from Iga and Palmo. Yes, Palmo also has a YouTube channel. Her YouTube channel name is Palmo, like Palmolek. So make sure you guys subscribe to her channel too. And they have got me a t-shirt from Van Heusen, a white t-shirt. I think I don't have to show this one. It's a white t-shirt and this is a birthday message. It's a V-neck t-shirt. And this one, big chocolates. It's a very big chocolate. Last two. This one is a small gift and this one is from. First I'm gonna open this small one. Oh, this is a perfume, I guess. Yes, it's a perfume. Yes. Wow, it's chocolate smell. Some sort of chocolate. Chocolate rice.
Wow, smells nice.
So I'm gonna open this. I think it's a t-shirt. Let me guess. I think it's a t-shirt. T-shirt. Oh, it's a boxer, I think. It's a very nice boxer. Nice color, grey colors. I like the grey color actually. So what dark green also. So I got a lot of boxers and t-shirts from my friends. So yeah, that was all the gifts I got. I'm very sorry if I forgot to mention some of my friends. And yeah, yesterday was a very happy and good day for me. And yeah, I would like to thank all of my friends to for coming and joining me on the birthday. And yeah, Metola, she helped me a lot. Kandula, and they all helped me a lot with my decoration and preparing, getting the cake, and serving all my friends and all. So yeah, thank you so. And I would like to especially thanks to Pinson Amgila. He was helping me from almost 1 week before. 1 week before, and yeah, in short, so everything went very well. I was very happy yesterday, and yeah, thank you so much for everything, and I hope this video was not so boring. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys.
Thank you guys. Like and subscribe.
As
Share.
usual. Yeah guys, so thank you so much for watching. And if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you put a like and thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, take care and do whatever you want. Do whatever makes you happy, and peace out.